Would you choose the blue pill or the red one? This heavy-duty tool makes cutting pile caps seem almost effortless. An egg handling machine with a unique design ensures each egg is treated with extreme care. Watch how entire logs are transformed into ultra-thin sheets of wood in seconds. Irrigating wide fields becomes completely effortless with these advanced sprinklers. Shock absorbers crafted with perfection, straight out of a Minecraft dream. Belt sanders scrub surfaces so clean that not a single trace of rust remains. Thick metal sheets fall apart like paper before the blades of this cutting machine. A miniature robot carefully cleans out every corner of your air vents. It's no surprise that royal honey is valued so highly when you see the process. This flexible hammer delivers an extra blow, making demolition quicker and easier. A colossal machine strong enough to split the very earth in two. Here, a blacksmith and his apprentice showcase true mastery in their craft. When it comes to demolishing buildings, a compactor like this is your best ally. Coal slabs might look tempting, but they're not exactly a snack. Fresh lettuce gets packed with astonishing efficiency by this machine. The rolling induction process is mesmerizing, metal bending and glowing with elegance. Even saw blades are kept sharp by another specialized saw. A scooter takes on the crushing jaws of a giant machine and survives. Your ultimate forge companion, this hammering tool does the hard work for you. Not every operator is perfect, and some skills still need a little refinement. With a simple attachment, any truck can take sharp corners with ease. Here's how to feed 100 calves in just a single minute. Watch a craftsman shape bricks by hand, each one molded with expertise. An excavator attachment effortlessly separates rocks from sand. Splitting logs becomes simple thanks to this powerful wood-cutting machine. Carrying cement upstairs? With this invention, it feels weightless. Interested in industrial-grade machinery? A steel double-row system awaits. This clever method shows how to bypass a height barrier without trouble. Here's the correct way to connect a chain loop securely. This one comes with a warning. Do not try it yourself at home. Produce is sliced with such precision that you can't look away. Some machines are simply unstoppable once they start working. Discover the technology behind lifting entire buildings safely off the ground. Electricity burns intricate designs into wood, creating living art. Unloading tires becomes easy when you don't have to worry about them bursting. Here's how concrete is mixed in massive batches for construction projects. Few sights are as mesmerizing as this beautiful water feature. The restoration of a massive ship is a spectacle of engineering brilliance. Tokyo-style drifting takes a new twist on the construction site. This is a flawless example of loading and unloading heavy materials. Some operators show such precision, it's nothing short of jaw-dropping. This electric shovel digs holes more than 6 feet deep with no effort. Seedlings are planted instantly with this innovative planting machine. There's something deeply satisfying about watching a ship slide into the water. Construction may be impressive, but demolition has its own unique beauty. Here's the expert process behind erecting giant concrete transmission poles. Don't click away. Stick around because the ending is worth it. Peeling paint is stripped off effortlessly, leaving a smooth surface behind. Old equipment looks brand new again under this rust protection coating. The perfect table solution for compact living spaces. Steel gets reinforced with epoxy putty in a display of engineering finesse. Have you ever wondered how your favorite pair of jeans is made? Trimming branches is easy work with this handy cutting tool. A master blacksmith forges knives with a level of skill that commands respect. The ultimate vineyard tool keeps vines under perfect control. Decommissioning a nuclear plant requires tools and nerves of steel. Bricks crumble like butter under the blade of this cutting machine. Bent pipes are straightened back to perfection with this tool. Watch skyscraper windows being installed with pinpoint accuracy. Some forklift operators stack materials so precisely, it's almost like art. Did you know you can actually build a car out of bricks? Intricate patterns are engraved on bracelets by a high-precision machine. This machine compresses tin cans into thick slabs in seconds. Explore the beauty and versatility of woodworking machinery. Rock crushers grind down anything that dares to stand in their way. This roller machine creates sushi rolls in the blink of an eye. High-pressure water jets restore every surface to a brand new look. Even The Rock himself might be intimidated by the power of this machine.